Lindy series week 52, we have Sweetheart, have a look.
Alright, so we are in open position, right to right hand hold. What we have here is regular 6-count footwork looking like this. So, rock, step, triple, triple. The most important part of this move is it's led like a right to right 6-count pass by, where we're leading our follower through the angle of our right hip. The difference is we have this wrap around with our arm, which goes on our follower's shoulder. So look closely. So it's wrapping around there and resting on the shoulder.
So follow, what we're doing footwork wise is this first part, our rock step is slightly rotational, so we're doing a slight rock step, and then we do a triple step, starting to turn, and then the second triple step is going backwards. Triple step.
Alright, so second part of the move. Here we have a definite rotational rock step. So I'm holding both hands here, and the left to left hand position is where we really exaggerate this pushing out and away motion to encourage Emily's rotational rock step. So have a look at this. Rock step, triple step, triple step. And as you saw there, as we have both hands connected, once that rotation's done, we kind of tuck back in, give our follower almost like an inside turn, and that creates this loop where we let go of the left hand. We're back in a position where we started.
Lindy series week 53, we have a little Sweetheart rhythm for you, have a look.
We're going to go from here. So, here we go. Ahe, aho, ahe. Alrighty. We're going to clap you the footwork rhythm to begin. So it's like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it's a challenge. Okay. Leader footwork, we're doing this. We're going rock, step, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
And follows, it's sort of the other way round. So it's rock, step, right, left, left, right, left, right.
Okay. In terms of getting into the move, so the beauty about Sweetheart is it allows our hands to do what they naturally want to do. So we've unraveled, and leader's left and follower's left is on top of our right. From here, what we're doing is we're raising the left hand of our follow over our head, and we're just slowly guiding through.
So follows, we have to do a slight little hand rearrangement to make it comfortable. So as the lead lifts over, they have a loose grip, so we're just rotating our hand to get to this position.
So here, my left hand is palm facing up, my right hand is palm facing down. Alright, we're going to talk to you about what's happening with our arms when we get into the move. So essentially what's happening is, when we're traveling to our right, like we were there, my right arm is folded behind my back. When traveling to our left arm is behind our back. In terms of when we know to recall back to the other side, we really reach the end of our extension. We can no longer go any further to the side, and that tells us to go back. Think of that like a metaphorical elastic band. We've reached the peak, and now it's time to recoil, and recoil, and recoil.
And that hand work that the lead is doing there helps the follower to be able to travel the opposite direction, so we're crossing over each other throughout the move.
So we're going to now talk to you about the exit. So, once we're here, da, 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 da. We've got to make sure, leaders, we've done our left, right, left, and that last part of the left is essential because it allows us to be on our correct feet for this exit. We then have a triple step inside turn to get into open before we can do a pass by.
So follows, I'll just go over our footwork really quickly. So we have right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, then into your normal pass by.
Leaders, opposite for us.
Lindy series week 54, we have Sweetheart with rocks. Have a look.
Right, here we go. Alright, so footwork for this entrance is as follows. We have a rock step, triple step, hip, click, hip, click, hip, click. So it's rock, step, triple step. For this next triple step, we're raising our follower's left hand over their head, and we're trying to follow where that hand's going. So it's going over, we're following its path, one full turn, and then we get into our hip click for the rocks.
So the rocks themselves, we're basically leading with our hips. So when we go this way, we sort of sweep up with our arm to click, and we're leaning into this hip, and then we lean back and sit into the other hip as we bring it back. So lean into our right hip, lean into our left hip. Like so.
So in terms of this exit, so if we just kind of walk through to here again, we've reached this position where my left hand is folded behind my back and I'm holding my follower's left hand. What happens is every time we do a hip click, the hand slowly kind of sways with this connection on our back. Once we're on doing hip clicks with our right hip extended, we give this extra kind of rotation towards our hip before we flick it down, lead our follower through a turn.
And so once